Hey guys, I'm recording this after the ice bath challenge and I'm freezing cold. You can see I'm wearing this blue skiing stuff, this sweater, a hoodie and a jacket. And it's summertime. And I'm wearing skiing pants under my pants. And underpants, or underwear, I mean. But thank you just so much. Thank you just for watching my videos and finding them interesting. Hopefully. But now to top 10 most annoying sounds. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Yeah, what is number 7? Number 7 is Bob. Number 8. Number 9. And finally, number 10. Now I just have to remember it. Thank you for watching this video of top 10 most annoying voices or sounds. Thank you for watching. See ya.